Oh. You mean, oh, I told you not to take my dog on the spoon. We are walking to the bus stop this morning now. This girl eating freaking Jello. Is that the bus? I don't see nothing.
No, we're not even late.
No, we're having pretty good timing this morning. Okay. Alright. Where your phone? Bring your phone in here and then have a good day. Love you. Behave yourself. Good morning, you guys. It's your girl, Ebony Lux. I'm back with another morning routine. Good morning. Welcome and welcome back. If you're new, hi. Good morning. My name is Ebony Lux. I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content creator, and I would appreciate it so much if you hit that subscribe button and support this girl. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. I hit y'all with the montage in the morning because that was just way too early for me to be speaking. Like, way too early. I woke up at 6, as you guys saw. Got Navy up and ready for school, walked her to the bus. Nathan got himself up and ready for school. He walked to the bus stop on his own. He normally does that. He is 11, he'll be 12 this year. And he's a big boy and he just doesn't really want his mommy around that much anymore. So yeah, dealing with that. It is now 8:20 in the morning and I'm getting ready to brush my teeth and jump in the shower. The main purpose of this video is me, I don't want to say finding myself. I don't necessarily think it's finding myself, but I guess just to briefly explain. So it's like a couple of years ago, I would say back in like, let's see, I had Navy in 2014. So I would say like 2016-ish. 2016-ish all the way up until like 2018, like golden years for me, like chef's kiss. Like I don't know, well, I do know what triggered me. So I was with Navy's dad and that nigga cheated on me and that shit really like blew my mind. Like, nigga, how dare you? Like, how fucking dare you? Like, I was a good girlfriend. I think I was a good girlfriend. And I was holding a nigga down through a lot of shit. Like, nigga who's broke as fuck. And you have the audacity to cheat, but whatever, that's a different topic for a different day. But that really kind of like fucked me up. That really put me in a mind state of, I'm not gonna let nobody play with me. Like, nobody ever fucking again. You not gonna play in my face. I don't give a fuck. Nobody. Like, not just on a relationship wise, just any type of relationship. You're not gonna play in my fucking face. And I really like bossed up on, just bossed my life up. And then, was it 2019? 2019, I lost one of my cousins. And like me and him were pretty close, and like that shit really fucked my mind up. It literally felt like I like jump universes. Like it really felt like this is not where I'm, like it felt like this is not real. Like this is not real. Like this is not like I could not wrap my mind around him being gone for like a year and a half. Like I was fucked up. Like I was really sad. I was really depressed. I was really angry. I just didn't understand, and it made me fall apart. Like just my life fell apart. Like my house was not as clean as it should be. I was not taking the best care of myself, like just personal hygiene, personal care, any type of self-care. I was not doing it. Like if you knew me before that happened, you knew, like you could ask any of my family, like I am the girl coming to regular barbecue in a full face of makeup. I had my wigs on, my nails was always done. Like I was just very much keeping up with myself, and I completely stopped. I shut down, and then I got pregnant, and that's it. I was really depressed being pregnant with Ailani. That's why I have no vlogs, no nothing. There's no, I probably have 3 pictures of me pregnant with Ailani. But I was just really sad. Like I was happy to have a baby, but just my mental was just trash. Like I was really fucked up. So, you know, then of course I had Ailani, and she's the sweetest, cutest little baby in the world, and I just love her so much. And you know, it helped. Having her helped me a lot, helped my mental a lot. And so, you know, she's gonna be 2. So pretty much the last 2 years has been me trying to figure out who I am these days, figure out things that I like. One of the things that I really realized about myself is that I really overthink about what people think about me. And it's like I'll literally like have an idea in mind or a video in mind. Like I really like, I don't know if it's like me just tapping in with my inner child, or I don't know what it is, but it's like I just want to do what I want to do. I want to do what I want to do. I want to be who I see myself as in my head. I want to live that. I want to walk that. I want to breathe that. Like, why am I not doing it? And I feel like I wasn't doing it because I lived so much in here that I was just too worried about what other people were going to think about me. Like, recently I just did a makeup look for my birthday, and I had like these dots on my eye makeup, and I thought it was so freaking cute. And the first person who I ever seen do dots was Aaliyah's face. She did like white dots. I did black dots. I don't think I really like the white, but the black dots is really like giving something for my life. But that's something I've been wanting to do. Like I've been wanting to like play my makeup and do little fun things. Like I'm getting ready to start a series on my TikTok of just learning how to do eyeshadow. Like I'm literally gonna teach myself through TikTok how to do my own eyeshadow, because it's like, damn, I don't know how to do fucking eyeshadow. Like I want the little baddie looks. I want a brown smoky eye. I want a fucking neon pink liner or something. I don't know. I just want to try it out and see if I like it. Like what the fuck. And then yeah, that's just whatever. So yeah, that's basically what this morning routine is about. This is just how I want to start my days off. Like I'm starting today. I really made my mind up about this last night, and I was like, when I wake up in the morning, there's no reason for me not to film content. I'm literally a stay-at-home mom. I do nothing all day. I should be making content. Like it just clicked in my brain. It was like God was speaking to me and was just like, you call yourself a content creator, but you don't make no content. What's not clicking, Steven? Like, no, that don't make sense. So I'm like, no, I need to be getting up making content at least 4 days a week. 4 days a week. I'm limiting myself to 4 days because I know I have the kids and I gotta deal with them, and you know, I'm just gonna have to get in the swing of shit. So 4 days a week, I should be able to bust that out. There's no reason. I'm literally not doing anything else. I look like this all day, every day. Like, bitch, brush your hair. The fuck. So that's just me just coming into, like, I call this like my re-getting to know myself era, my soft girl era, soft girl era, getting to know myself era, the glow up era, the just becoming the woman of my dreams, I guess. The girl who I see inside my head, the bad bitch inside my head, I want her to portray on the outside. So that's what this is. And one of the things that I want to do to start, you know, me feeling better about myself, feeling better about the day, being more productive in the day is actually getting up and being productive in the morning. Because I do, on the regular weekday, I'm up at 6 because Navy has to get up for school. So obviously I'm up at 6, and I'm one of those people that once you wake me up, I'm up. And so I usually don't go back to sleep until, like, if I do have a nap, it'll probably be 11 or 12. So yeah, so there's no reason for me not to be productive during this time of the day. So the things that I want to get accomplished is I want to wake up in the morning. I want to shower, because normally I shower at night, and I'm like, that's not childish, is it? I don't know, but I'm a grown woman. I just shower in the morning. Like, shower in the morning. Shower in the morning. So I'm gonna be waking up. I'm gonna get the kids off to school. I'm going to do my little self-care I do in the morning. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna get Nailani up because I want her to start waking up early, because that girl's a night owl. She's a night owl. She be driving me crazy at night. So I'm gonna do that. Then I want to make me some breakfast. I'm not a breakfast eater, so it probably won't be like a breakfast food, but it'll be whatever I can eat in the morning time. So just make me a breakfast. If I need iced coffee, make an iced coffee. And figure out what content I'm gonna be filming for today, and go from there. I want to be done with like work stuff. I want to be done with that stuff no later than 4, so that I just have from 4 on to 9 when my kids are going to bed for school. So from 4 to 9 is mommy mode. 4 to 9 is homework, chores, figuring out what dinner is, making sure they did whatever they need to do. You know, they like to go outside, so they can't go outside until their stuff is done. You know, just making sure, you know, mom life, work life is all cohesive, everything is in order, everything is flowing smoothly. I just think that'll help me be more motivated. It'll help me push out my content. It'll help me, I feel like it'll just clear my mind. So what we're doing right now is I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna wash my face, like light skincare, and then I'm gonna get in the shower. And then after I get in the shower, I'm waking that baby up. She's getting up because I'm wasting time. It's already gonna be 8:30. So I need to be out of the shower by 9, waking her up, getting her ready for the day. So yeah, shout out, let's get this started or whatever. Where's damn. I can see I'm blind, 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 blind. I'm really blind. I should be wearing my glasses all the time, but I don't. Whatever. Cheese. My good sis Jackie, Miss Jackie Ina, said you supposed to wake the your face wash up in your hand. So like once it get a good little, you know what I'm saying, good little one of these, then supposed to go in. Man, hit it with one of these. Did I use too much? Probably. But hey, what are you gonna do? I don't like to just whatever. I don't know how to explain it. I don't like to just, I don't know, get her up and get going. I like to like, you know, hold my baby for a second, get my cuddles in and my kisses, let her lay on her mommy. And then when she seems like she's ready to get active, then, you know, that's when I'll let her be up. It's usually around, she'll start telling me she want to watch Minnie Mouse. She'll start telling me she want to eat, stuff like that. That's when I know she's up. But right now, we're just easing that baby into it. Easing her right along. You want to go back night-night? Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. You want some milk? Just want to hold it. Want to go to the living room, watch Minnie Mouse? Hey girl. Oh, yeah.